Disclaimer: the video you are watching is not the full course video. This is only a demonstration from our AWS training program. The purpose of this demo is to help you understand how our trainer teaches and to check whether the explanation style is clear and easy for you to follow. If you find the teaching helpful, you can continue learning with our complete course.
Hello and welcome back. Right now in this video we are going to discuss about our AWS console. So once you log into your AWS console using your email account, you are going to get this screen. Now from here you will get your recently visited services. I am using this console many times during the day, so I have all these services available. You may have like a clean 2 or 3 services, okay, but whatever the services you have accessed recently, you are going to get this over here. Here you are going to get detail about AWS data centers. If there is any issue, you will get this detail over here. We will talk about this health dashboard and everything. Here you can also verify your cost. So if you have any charges over there, you can find out from here. Now here when you click on this, you are going to get all these services. As you know that AWS is having more than 200 services and they categorize each services with a different name. So for example, if I'm going to click on analytics, I'm going to get all the services which is related to analytics. If I'm going to click on application integration, I'm going to get all the services which are related to the application integration. Now, in upcoming videos, we are going to discuss about compute service. So here, if I'm clicking over here, I'm getting all the services related to the compute. Now we will discuss about EC2, right? So if I want to create any EC2 instance, I can click on this. Now it will open EC2 dashboard. And now I can manage whole my virtual machine environment using this EC2 dashboard. So there is various dashboards for various kind of services. And we will discuss about most of the services during our journey. Now, when you want to verify your billing, you can go to this CloudFox Hub and here you have detail about your billing. If you want to log in with another, like if you want to log in with CLI, you must have programmatical key that you will get from here as well. But we will discuss about this in upcoming video. Here you have your account ID. Okay, keep this in your mind. It is unique ID for each and every AWS user. You can manage your AWS infrastructure using console, which is actually providing you graphical user interface. You can also manage your AWS account using command line. And if you don't want to install command line on your system, you can manage your AWS account using Cloud Shell, which is actually providing you browser-based command line tool. In upcoming days, we are also going to manage our infrastructure using AWS CLI. At that time, we will use this. Right now, I am going to close this. Now, last but not the least,
Thanks for watching. To continue learning AWS with structured lessons, real labs, practice tests, and live sessions with Bhavesh Atara, join our full course at www.cloudfolkshub.com. For any help, call 982-575-7737. All course details are provided in the description.